Hello and welcome. This is my storage room. As you can see, I have a lot of balsa-wood here on these shelves. And actually, I'm going to use them at my building table. So today, I'm building some better storage space near my building table. First, I drew the dimensions of all the side panels on a piece of particle board. I know particle board is not the best for this job, but that's what I had. Then I rough cut it. And finally I cut it to the correct size. The shelves are going to sit at an angle, so I need to cut some stoppers to prevent the balsa wood from sliding out. And then I started the assembly process. The particle board is really warped, so I use some nails to hold it in place while the glue dries. These shelves are going under my build table, so I have to customize it to whatever is there already. So I have to use some wooden blocks as spacers. I had to pre-drill the screw holes to prevent the wood from splitting. And then I could mount the spacers to my work table. And now that's done, I can finally make the cabinet. These are the shelves and they'll be sitting at this angle. I drew the position of all the shelves on my sideboard. You can see here how warped the particle board really is. So now I have the position of the first drawer. So now I just duplicate it 5 times, once for each drawer. So finally I can assemble everything. I'm using lots of wood glue and I'm nailing everything together. And now I glue in all the rest of the shelves. there's not enough space underneath my building table, so I have to make space here for one of the legs. Sometimes we just have to improvise. And again, you can see how warped this particle board really is. So I had to use quite a lot of time trying to straighten up everything. And that's it. Now I can mount it underneath my building table. I had a little mistake here. Basically the upper shelf cannot be used because there's a wooden beam from the table in the way. So I had to blank it out. And that's basically it. Now I can place all my balsa wood just where I need it, underneath my building table. Finally, I can assemble everything. I'm using a lot of wood glue. Wood glue.